So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate custom social media bio links that you can share over your social media to uh, to reach your multiple social media platforms. Like if you want to access your Twitter bio or Instagram bio, you can do that by generating a link tree. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have. You can do the same steps from your smartphone as well. Now here, all you need to do is just simply search for Linktree. And once you do that, just simply open this first website that appear right in front of you. Here, you can just simply start by claiming a Linktree. Let me just claim a Linktree for me. And just give a username, hit claim your Linktree, and it may ask you for sign in. Once you sign in, it will give you feature to provide links to your all other platforms, your projects, your other social media platform, and everything that you can add on one single link as a link tree, and you can add it over your social media bios. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.